Good morning, Slasher Pie. How you doing, bro? He loves some foot. But what he loves more than anything is food. With sauce. Want the other foot? So what's up, Slash? We got Slash meowing for food. Probably about to lick a bag. What? Okay. And we got some coffee a-brewing. Smells so good. Can't wait to get some coffee up in me. What? Oh, you need cat food quick? Alright. Let's see if we got any up here. We got all kinds of cat food. We got some dry food. We got another bag of dry food. We got some treats. We got cat pillows with creamy salmon. And oh, here we go. We got it here, Slash. Here it comes. How about this? You like that? Want that? Yeah? Alright, that means he wants it, guys. Here it comes, Slash. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a satisfied camper. Lick, 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 lick. Keep on licking. Oh, he's like, no, see, I don't lick. Sometimes I eat a bite. Because I'm Slash. By the way, Slash ate grass and then warfed in the house yesterday. Whatever happened to warfing outside, bro? Bro? Huh? Oh, he doesn't care. Alright, enjoy your meal, bro. Alright, guys, time to make some coffee. I'm gonna make coffee for me and Nerdette. And you know what? It's been so long. I'm just gonna have a little bit of butter. It's not gonna kill me. And I miss butter. I miss bulletproof coffee. So today we get to witness butter up in my coffee. Yeah. Look at it as it melts. Isn't that neat? There's something about it that you start to get used to that we're gonna give Nerdette a big ol' scoop. Oh yeah. Satisfying feeling of pouring coffee over butter. So, and today I'm going to do the same as Nerdette. I'm going to have some of this collagen, basically protein powder. I'm going to add some to both of our coffees. That way we get our protein in. So, one for Nerdette, one for me. This is the full meal deal right here, guys. Basically, the whole meal in a coffee. And the key to making this bulletproof coffee is having a mixer right here, guys. You mix it until it starts to get foamy, and that butter foam, oh, let me tell you, butter foam. Butter foam. See that? See that? Now, I can go ahead and pour a little bit more coffee in. Save room for the cream. Because you know we don't drink it without cream. That's just how we roll. Just enough for both of us right here. Top that up with cream and we about to have a good day. Oh yeah. Bulletproof coffee. Oh yeah, so stoked right now. While I'm streaming, Nerdette brought me this keto breakfast. Even though it's 2 o'clock, we'll call it breakfast lunch with some chopped up wieners that I think they have garlic flavor and they're hella good, and some perfect scrambled eggs. And I'm live on D Live right now. Let's have a look who we got. A bunch of heroes. Stephanie Goulson, Mel Godoy. Thank you for the lemons. Mr. Bean, 5 ice creams. BWYA in the house. Loki Asgard Trick. So many awesome people. I'm on the edge of a nerdgasm. Thank you guys for being here. Mr. Bean and Nerdy all licking some ice cream together. Yes. Type in the chat if you want a shout out. Green Fingers, Higher Truth, True North, BWYA. Yes, Nerd Love, Nerd Dab, Stanky Dab. Time to eat some scrambled eggs and wieners. Hawk the Fam's wife. Don't forget Misty. Misty, Stephanie 1989. Oh my god. Dynamite. Ready to explode right up into some sausages and eggs. Bro, is this all you're gonna do all day is sleep? Bro, you can't even wake up and say hi to the camera? Oh, is that how you say hi to the camera? This guy, the older he gets, the more naps he takes. This guy must be pretty old. Is he about 15 years old soon? 15? Are you almost 15, bro? Wow. Let's see if we can get a big stretch. Just push these arms and then... Oh, there's a little mini one. Yeah. All right. I'll let you rest, okay? You need your beauty sleep. Okay, sleep right, sleep tight. Alright, guys, so today I'm just gonna have leftovers from yesterday. Cut and the same cucumbers with a little bit of garlic dressing. But let me tell you something. Sometimes leftovers are actually yummier than the day you actually had it, because it overnight it sits in the fridge and marinates. And let me tell you, I just tasted a little taste of this and it is so damn tasty. It sat overnight marinating for me. So it's twice as good today. Mm-mm-mm. Butter chicken. Come on now. Well, guys, it's time to say goodnight. Slasher Pie, tell them thanks for coming to the vlog. Tell them all to have a good night. Guys, thank you so much for coming. Don't forget to smash that like button. And me and Slash will see ya tomorrow. Peace out.